Hello everyone, so I went to Jamaica for my birthday and here are some of the food selection that I had. Delicious. So this is our first lunch at Riu Aquarelle. Look how beautiful my plate is. There goes Raquel's plate and that's Mom's plate. So this was the first day of lunch upon arrival at the hotel, and it was delicious. Fish, jerk chicken, rice, fries, delicious. When you come in, you gotta come to cappuccino. These are the snacks that they have, beautiful. And in the showcase, that's red velvet, vanilla. You get your coffee and your cream and the juices. Nice. So this is dinner tonight. Dinner tonight. Dinner tonight. So this is our dinner tonight. So over here we have the salad bar. Shrimp with salmon. Over here we got all that. Come around. Look how beautiful that is. Presentation is everything. This is the egg salad and it was delicious. Look at all that. And over here you have your dressings and your coleslaw. Each day I'll go to different categories so you can see healthy and nice. Over by the Jamaican side you have your jerk chicken, fresh and hot, delicious. You have your rice and cabbage and pork and patty. That's the escrow sauce. Over here, this is the Asian section where they cook it in front of you and put it there. Beautiful. Freshly cooked. Over here too. Everything over here. Freshly cooked. That's your meat. Beautiful. Look at everything here. Over here. Sorry, Raquel. June plum. June plum. They got June plum. From the north. These are beautiful. Beautiful apple. Raquel, get up. So after dessert, I went to have, after dinner, this is dessert. Look, June plum and guinea and some kind of strawberry thingy. Beautiful. There was an array of selection when it comes to dessert to eat. Again, delicious. So after dinner, I wanted a cup of hot tea. So I'm going to do my peppermint. There's my cup of tea. Look how beautiful over here is. Xavier would go crazy, Mom. Xavier would go crazy for the donuts. Look how beautiful. This is a pastry section. Raquel, you see that? Plantain, cabbage. I'm gonna get cabbage. Day 2 breakfast, delicious. So this is breakfast. Look at breakfast. Ackee and saltfish with dumpling, plantain. This escovitch fish is nice and cabbage. Them call this breakfast piece and hot cup of tea. The fish topped with the escovitch sauce, delicious. The ackee and saltfish, tastes so genuine. So is Pepe's food. Pepe's food. Do the video first. So I get some chili there because them have the nacho stuff. Look at this. Pepe's Kitchen is daily from 12 to 3 p.m. at the poolside. So that's another place for lunch. So this is dinner tonight. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Good evening. Usually like Morocco. Everything is good, thank you. Here are assorted desserts. The red velvet, delicious. I ordered my daiquiri, my strawberry daiquiri. Look at my strawberry daiquiri. This is an all-inclusive resort, so everything is free. Your liquor, your juices, food, everything. And that's the Bob Marley drink. So for dinner tonight, we're having lobster bisque soup. And in my plate here, it's curried goat, jerk fish, rice and peas, lo mein, and bami. So that's for dinner tonight. There goes Yvonne's plate. Look at my cousin's plate. Big on the salad for Miss Raquel. Look how huge that is. Here you go. I have my lobster tail. They have a tray full of lobster tail with butter. So I got my lobster tail. Beautiful, beautiful, delicious. Here goes my lobster tail and my spinach and tomato pizza. Beautiful. Great selection choices for everyone. So this is breakfast for Friday morning. Hash brown, ackee and saltfish, liver, corned beef hash, and dumpling. All for breakfast this morning. Again, delicious ackee and saltfish. So I went to get a second serving of ackee and saltfish with the hash browns and orange juice. Already had my tea. Tea is done. Let's go eat. So this is a chocolate croissant. You can get this at the cappuccino stand or you could get it in the main dining room. But now we're off to the steakhouse. This is the bread that was served before dinner. Delicious. I'm drinking my red wine tonight. So here we have our appetizer, and we all had Caesar salad, and we also asked for shrimp cocktails. Look how beautiful these are. Caesar salad and shrimp cocktail. We're in the steakhouse. I got the surf and turf for dinner. So here goes my dinner. This is the surf and turf. That's the gravy. That's mac and cheese. And of course, have it down with the steak sauce. So this is dinner. A1 sauce on top of the steak. Look at my plate. That's how delicious it was. Mac and cheese, delicious. This cookie was so good, but I could not finish it. It was delicious. Ice cream in the middle. There you go, leftover. So my cousin and my mom, this is what they ordered for their dinner. And at the end of the night, we closed it off with a show and 3 Bob Marley drinks. It was delicious. Happy birthday to me. So this is our last morning for breakfast. Look at this. So I got plantain, bacon, mashed potatoes, spinach, hash brown, and a cheese omelet. Last breakfast in Jamaica. So today was my birthday. These were all our meals. That's my cousin. This is my mom. Boiled banana. They had boiled banana. Yvonne knew that she was going to clean the table. I know it looked like Yvonne was forcing up into it, but she knew. Is what you say, Yvonne? Last lunch of vacation, and when I got back to my room, look, a surprise. They had a birthday cupcake and a card for me. Look at that. I'll open it later. Bye. So for closing dinner tonight on my birthday, we're having pig's tail stew and oxtail stew with roasted yellow yam. And of course, Raquel is proper. Good evening, good, thank you. Here goes mother's dinner. Okay. This was so good, I had to go back for seconds. That's how good it was. So now I'm gonna try the red pea soup. And then I had to get a little side order of the stew pigtail, the baked yam, yellow yam, and the oxtail. So we're gonna dive into the soup. Last dessert of vacation, all that selection. This is the dessert for my birthday. Well, only the red velvet cake is for me. Look, there we have tambourine that Raquel wants, tambourine. Yeah, red velvet. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Keisha. Happy birthday to me. So this was a fun birthday trip. I'm going to do another video talking about the hotel and everything like that. So this is the Rio Palace Aquarelle, and it's located in Falmouth, Jamaica. So we took the plane from Florida to Montego Bay and drove for about 25 minutes. I bought my ticket, the package hotel, everything on Expedia, and everything was smooth sailing. I saw some reviews with Expedia, people complaining about things, and I was worried, but no. Everything from Expedia was perfect. No, runabouts or anything like that. So stay tuned for that video.